Hello everyone and my respected teacher, I am Unnati Wagila from class 11th Commerce. I am here to present a speech on my favorite teacher Mrs. Alka Sharma ma'am on the occasion of Teachers Day. We all know that Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Now I am going to tell about my favorite teacher Mrs. Alka Sharma ma'am. She teaches the subject of account and business studies. She is a very nice person and also a good teacher. She is always ready to clear our doubts. She is very frankly and frank with us. She tried to give her best teaching to us. She talks very politely and calmly with us. She is a teacher who takes the responsibility of shaping the lives and career of his students. She never does any type of partiality among students. And now, happy Teachers Day and thank you.
Very good morning to everyone. My name is Jigyasa Yadu. I study in 11th Commerce at Shivam Educational Academy. In India, Teachers Day is celebrated to honor the memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was an Indian scholar. I would like to thank every teacher and principal sir of our school, Shri Sachidanand Mishra. He treats us with love, care, and he adores us like his kids and scolds us like his children. Thanking him for being so understanding. At last, happy Teachers Day to all the teachers and principals, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Tanisha Sahu. I am a student of class 11 science group. On the occasion of Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. One of my favorite teacher is Preeti Tiwari ma'am. She teaches us biology subject. She teaches us very nicely and clears each and every doubt of every student. She teaches us in a very honest and responsible way. She gives her best to turn students into sincere students. She is an inspiration to all. She not only teaches us but also motivates to take part in other activities. Also, the light of the world, the beacon of the dark, and the hope that gives us strength is our teacher. At the last of my speech, I want to dedicate these lines to all my teachers. गुरु गोविंद दाओ खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए.
Good morning, principal sir, teachers, and my all dear friend. This is Arya Dubey from class 11th. Today, the occasion of Teacher Day. I want to say something about teacher. Teachers study in blackboard, but they fill your life with colors. Teacher are one who can pull out individual from the darkness of ignorance into the light of knowledge. I want to say something about Himani ma'am. She is my favorite teacher. She is teaching English subject. Their way the teaching is very good. She encourages. I have learned a lot from him in my life, and I still have a lot of learn. Wish you enjoy and happiness. You are amazing teacher. May God always happiness in your life. Thank